Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie and I'm a full-time eBay reseller, and I do unboxings and I do sales on my channel as well sometimes. And today, guess what? It used to be What Live at 5, it will be again, but today I'm doing a little something different. I am doing today instead of doing the What's Live at 5, I am doing a Coach unboxing. So a Coach unboxing is a box of Coach purses from ThredUp, ones that they couldn't sell, didn't sell, whatever. And you get I believe it's 4 purses and 1 accessory, and it costs, for me with tax and shipping, it costs $118. That's about $23 per item. And I don't do Coach ones very often, but I wasn't able to get a handbag box, a 15-piece, so I did this instead. I'm going to do a Coach one. And I also couldn't pull together my Friday What's Live at 5 sale. I just have too much going on this week. But next week is not as bad at all, and I'll get back to it. So the crazy thing, I haven't been doing any story time. I don't really usually do that, but I'll tell you, I have a crazy story. You won't even believe this. My husband and I got a boat last year. We've been loving it. We have beautiful summers in Minnesota. You cannot beat the summers here. They're great. But you can beat losing an engine when you're 100 miles from home on your boat. Our boat went through the mud, and one of the engines got clogged up with mud. So on this past Sunday, we drove home on our boat 100 miles, going 7 miles per hour on the river, on the Mississippi River. We came from La Crosse, Wisconsin to Red Wing, Minnesota. It took 14 hours, and we had, thank goodness we have a bathroom in our boat, but we didn't really have, anyway, it's a long story, but it was 100 degrees, and we do have AC on the cabin of our boat, but it's only when it's plugged in somewhere. So on the way home, it was like 95 degrees humidity, high humidity, and 14 hours on the boat. We drank a lot of water. And I'm still, it's Friday now, it's been, 5 days. I am still, I think, recovering from it. So anyway, it was also fun at times, but for the most part it was, 14 hours. We didn't have any food. We had like minor few things on the boat, but at least we had water. That was absolutely crazy. So this whole week has been a little bit crazy, to be honest. But anyway, Coach box, here we go. I'm super excited about this because I haven't done one of these in forever. Meanwhile, this shirt is Veronica Beard. I got it from the Real Real. I used my credits. I love it. It's so cute. I swear, this is Ulla Johnson from the Real Real. I hope that's how you say it. Anyway, I think she is Swedish, but I'm not. I think that brand is a Swedish brand. So I have this, and I have these rings on today. These are just rings that I have in my drawer. My wedding ring I don't wear all the time because it gets in the way a little bit. But I have this I got at a thrift store years ago. This came in a box, I believe. This I got at a store in Colorado, and I don't know where that came from. But the necklace came in a 15-piece ThredUp jewelry box. It's so cute. Isn't that cute? That's actually for sale in my store. I don't know, it might not be for much longer because I really like the way it looks. And then these are gold and diamond. I got them at a thrift store years ago. So let's get on to this box. Woo woo! I love doing these. And I love having something to unbox. And I know some people were like, hey, when are you going to have a bag sale? Well, here it is. Here it is. All right. We are going to open this thing up. Let's see if I can. And this one, I was really excited to get. That came pretty fast too. Usually it takes ThredUp a hot minute to get things together and ship them out. Make sure we got the right thing here. Yes, Rescue Box Coach handbag, $100 plus tax and shipping, $118, like I said. Right, we are going to ship it like this. And I'm going to give you the first look. There we go. And I know a lot of people like to get vintage Coach. I am no exception. Absolutely love getting vintage Coach. It's so much fun. Everything in this box will be for sale today, and it's $8 shipping no matter how many you buy. The first one, I hope you saw when I showed you the initial look. Oh my gosh. Look at this bag. Okay, I guess you call that a dome bag. This is really, really beautiful. It's so nice. The leather's so pretty. Look at that. It is an absolutely beautiful bag. I don't see anything wrong with this. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. It is just gorgeous. Look at that. That's the back side. Actually, this looks like it was never used. I can't believe I'm getting this in one of my bags. Look it up close. It doesn't look like, and look at the bottom. It doesn't, I don't see anywhere on the bottom. There's the back side. Can I show you? There's the corners. There's nowhere in the corners. I don't see anywhere on this bag. Let's see. Okay, there is the edge coat for the handles, which is great. This is crazy. I can't believe this came. The inside looks perfect. Is there, I don't see a hang tag on it. I don't even know if I'd really call that a fault. But anyway, here is the inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is, I can't believe this is my first bag I pull out of here. This is a great bag. I'm going to show you the Coach up close. So it's got double handles, and it's also got this removable strap, which could be crossbody or shoulder strap. And then, let's see, the inside has one slip pocket right over here. And then on the other side, it's got this zip pocket with the Coach Creed. And I'm just going to pull that out. Yeah, there we go. There's the Coach Creed. So, I don't know. I think it's, it looks great. It looks authentic. I'm not an expert in authentication, but it definitely looks real. It looks like an authentic Coach bag. So, it is gorgeous. All right, that is the first bag. Super cute. All right, next up is, oh my gosh. I have to tell myself I'm not keeping any of these, but I actually like Coach. It really depends on the style whether I want it or not. But anyway, here is a black nylon bag. Clean. There's a little bit of wear to it. I guess I can't really say it just lost a little bit of its shape is all. There's the bottom. And it's got this fold over snap. Really cute. There's the back side. There's the bottom. You know, you can tell an awful lot about a bag from the corners, and these corners look great. And the handle, it's one handle. It does have a little scraping on the edge coat, a little bit right like here, but you have to look up close. Even then, it's hard to see it. I'm sure you can't see it on the camera, although right there, I'm just going to show it. You probably can't even see it, but anyway, so yeah, this is a nice one. And it's zip top too. It zips at the top. Let's see, let's make sure the zip works. The zipper works. Let's see. Yep, the zipper works good. And what's the inside look like? Okay, the inside looks good. It looks really good, as a matter of fact. It's got a zip pocket on one side. That's the only pocket. Let's see if I can pull this out. Here is the Creed. There it is. So this is nice. It's clean. It's got, the biggest thing I can say that's wrong is that little bit of scraping to the edge coat, but it's not bad. And it's gotten relaxed due to wear, but the inside's really clean, and this is really a nice one. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one so far. There's some scuffing on it a little bit, but it's very minor. All right, next up is this one here, and this is a canvas with the Coach C logos on it and white leather. It's really pretty. It does have some marks on it. And I'll just be selling these as is, by the way. So the prices will be lower because I'm selling them as is. Let's see. Probably the marks will come out of the leather. There, we're gonna go like this. Let me just point out so you can see, like, there's one right here, one mark here. And then on the leather, there is, like, right here, there's a couple marks. But overall, it's a nice bag. It's still got the hang tag on it. It's got a long strap. It's actually not a long strap. That's a shoulder strap. It can be adjusted a couple inches, but that's about it. And then you've got this hang tag. Now let's see let's see if the zipper works. Zipper works great. And what about the inside? Yay! I love it when you look inside a purse and it is clean and nice. This came inside of it too. So this came inside, in fact, this came inside of it. Factory outlet $209.99 is what they paid for it. That was the price tag on there, $209.99. So that's kind of nice. It's got a zip pocket on one side, and then here's the Creed. And then the other side is two slip pockets. And I'm just going to show you the inside so you can see it, how clean that is. Yeah, that one, like I said, it could use just a little wipe down on some of the areas. Probably a Tide stain stick would take off some of those, but I'm going to leave it to the person who buys it. So yeah, that is the third one. And then we've got, okay, the last one's going to be my favorite one. So I'm going to go to this next. This is a cute, cute, cute little logo canvas bag. There's the Coach logo. There's the little zip pull. And this just has a little bit of wear to it, but it's in good condition overall. I mean, like I said, some of them are just, okay, it's a little dirty on the inside, could use a wipe down, but it's really cute, and it's in good condition. It's an okay condition. After you wipe down the inside, it'll be in really good condition. There's the bottom, the corners, which I really don't think, the corners do have some wear. Okay, I'm gonna just show you up close. Just a little, not much. There's the other two corners. So yeah, and then I'm gonna show you the zipper works great, by the way. I'm gonna show you the inside. Like, I'm gonna go like this so you can really see it. See? That's the inside. So it's not bad, it just needs a wipe down. There are 3 compartments on the inside here. Just tiny. I don't know if this is just a little, I guess I thought at first might have been a sunglass holder, but it's not. It's more like a little bag that you, like a little clutch bag you'd carry with you. It's really cute. And the last one is nylon, and it's my favorite one of all of them. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wait till you see. It's a champagne colored. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. And then there's the back. I'm trying to see, is there anything, there's nothing big wrong with it. It looks like it has just some little minor marks. I'm just gonna show you kind of what it looks like up close. The logo down there, and then the straps are not removable. There's a long skinny strap. Here's the hang tag. It does come with the hang tag. This bag is gorgeous, and the straps, the edge coat on the straps is perfect. There's nothing wrong with the edge coat. All right, so I showed you the back already, but I'm going to show you up close. So minor marks on here is about it. There's 3 sections. Let's see if the zips work on them. Okay, that's one zip. And then that's the other zip. So the zips are working. We've got 2 zip compartments. One of them has one big slip pocket. There it is. The other one has a zip pocket. Very clean. Both sides are very clean, by the way. And I'm going to show you there is the creed. This is, wow. There's a little bit of a mark on the back of this, just a couple like this. But it's nothing too bad. I would happily carry this bag. I'm tempted to keep it, but we all know I don't need any more bags. I mean, do we know that? We should know. I know it, but I'm telling you right now, I have a lot of bags and I don't need another one. But if I could, I would keep this one. It's absolutely beautiful. So we got the champagne colored beigey kind of bag. We got this cute little clutch bag. We've got this blue bag with the tag inside of it. Got a couple marks on it, but it's good. We've got this Coach nylon bag with leather. Last but not least, we got this absolutely beautiful purple. I forgot to tell you, it's Saffiano leather. This is just gorgeous. I love this box. You know, the days of many, many years ago when the first Coach box I got, long before I ever thought about doing YouTube. My first box I ever got was a Coach box, and every single one of them was dirty and ruined. And I thought, that's what we're gonna get every time. But they've really changed their ways. They give you a lot better stuff. So, all right, that is the box for today. In order to purchase, send me an email to mystuffstyle@gmail.com. And if you like this kind of content, from now on, I will be doing on Wednesday nights. I'll be doing an unboxing and a sale, and Fridays I'll be doing the What's Live at 5. We were no longer doing the Monday sales updates, but we will do periodic sales updates. I'm still over my sales goal this past week by 40%, so I'm super excited. For anyone who doesn't know, my husband and I are trying to get to 150,000 on eBay sales within a year. We're tracking every single week, and it's going really well. I love it. I love waking up every day and going, what am I going to do today for my own business rather than someone else? And by the way, whenever I talk about sitting behind a desk, there's a lot of people that are okay with it, and I think that's great. I think everyone should do what they love to do and what they're good doing. I never should have sat behind a desk. I was never meant for it. I did like it over the years at times, but in the past year, not as much. So anyway, this is what I should have been doing all along. Isn't that funny? It took me until I was 56 years old to figure it out. But anyway, better late than never. So give me a subscribe if you like this content. I super appreciate it. It's free to subscribe. And then you can click on the bell button to get alerted when I get new videos coming out. All right. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.